Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm hoping that you all are doing fine. So guys, lot many students are requesting me to make a full video, all the details contained related with the CMA CAT course. So guys, in today's video, I will discuss about each and everything related with the CMA CAT course. Okay, the syllabus, exam paper pattern, campus placement opportunity, job opportunity, time duration, how to pursue CMA course after completing CAT course. So each and everything in this video I will cover. Okay, so we are starting now. And after watching this video, still you have any doubt or you need some more clarification, you can ask me in the comment section your question. Surely I will help you. So we are starting now. So you just need to write in Google ICMI, then you will this will be the homepage of CMA Institute website. Then you need to click the CAT sections. Okay, you need to click here. Then, as you know that recently Institute has changes the fee structure. Okay, earlier 9800 is the fees. Now you can see that there will be some changes in fees. So after completing the first of all the criteria, after completing the 12th, or if you are you can say that BCom first year, second year, or third year, so you can start the CAT course. Okay, this is a short duration. Suppose a student who do not want to spend 4 year or 4.5 year for CMA course, so within 1 year you can complete the CAT training, each and everything, practical training, 45 days you can say training tenure of CAT, you can each and everything you can complete, okay, within a year. So this is, you can say that, very short term. Within a year you can complete, or you can start as a you can do work as an accountant in the accounts or taxation field. So we are discussing each and everything now. So to meet the huge demand for entry level accountant in India, ICAI has launched a short term course duration. Okay, the full form of CAT is Certificate in Accounting Technician. So guys, reason is that some of the students are not do not have time to pursue full time course like CMA 4.5 year. They need to spend, so they choose a CAT course. Within a year, you can say that you can complete each and everything related with the CAT, and you can work as an accountant in the Indian company and Indian company, or even though in MNCs, you can work anywhere. Okay, so this is a short term course. So, but my suggestion also that if you are after completing CAT, you can start a job. My suggestion to you, along with job, you can also pursue the full time CMA course, in which you will get the foundation exemptions. So eligibility, that if you have complete the 12th, or guys, you can say if you are a graduation first year, second year, third year, any level, you can take the admission. Okay, and online admission you can take, offline it is also possible, but my suggestion to you, online, save your time or traveling time or your cost. Institute has coaching center all over the India. Okay, or you can take the online classes. Okay, Institute also providing CAT online free classes. Student can register directly with the Institute of Cost Accountant of India. Either you can take online classes or you can visit the chapter, nearest chapter, for offline admission. My suggestion to you guys, you should take online admission to save your time. If you click here, then you can directly visit to the admission. Okay, online admission. So now we'll discuss about the course curriculum. The exam paper pattern is online MCQ based, and there will be no negative marking. Again, I'm repeating, this will be an online exam. From home itself, you can give this exam. There will be no negative marking. Online MCQ based, total full MCQ based. Okay, 4 paper. Paper number 1, fundamental of financial accounting, applied business and industrial law, financial accounting 2, statutory compliance. So from YouTube itself, all the 4 subjects you can free of cost, you can get the almost all the content. If you can search topic wise content, you will easily get. Now you can see that part B, competency level part 2. Here you will get the practical knowledge. Okay, 35-hour computer fundamental by Microsoft and computerized accounting Tally ERP9. Online Institute will provide 35 hours. SAP and user program 25 hours. Cambridge generic skill for employment 20 hours. E-filling by expert from industry 20 hours. Introduction to costing principle and preparation of cost statement 14 hours. So you can say that yes, after completing this training, I can assure that you will learn too many things. Okay, now apart from this, you have to undergo 5 days orientation program, ask program. Most probably due to the pandemic it will be exempt, but whenever the situation overcome, you need to undergo. Okay, and after completing this, you need to go for the 45 days internship. The internship will be for 45 days. The internship can be taken from the organization prescribed under internship scheme of CAT course. Okay, so guys, after completing the 45 days training, Institute will and you complete the CAT, Institute conduct campus placement, where you will get the opportunities like 15 to 25,000 you can get after completing the CAT course, and if you take participation in campus placement. Apart from this, in the normal job opportunities, you can work as an accountant. Okay, in the MNC you can also work. Okay, but I will also suggest to that if you have a time after CAT, you should go with the CMA. First, after completing the course, start a job. then along with job you can easily complete your whole CMA. Okay, so 45 days intensity, and the total course fees is 12,660. Okay, apart from this you have to fill the exam form. For this you have to pay separate exam fee, but for this training you need not to pay. For this practical training you need not to pay a single amount. Okay, so 12,660 is the course total fees. Mode of examination, I have already told that MCQ online exam and no negative marking will take place. Last date for admission, you can say that 31st January for June term, and for December term, 31st, you can say that December, 31st July for December term of examination. Okay. And apart from this, you can, after completing, you can also upload your resume for CAT placement. You need to just write your registration number, and then you will eligible for this. And apart from this, you can also take the participation in campus placement. Okay, so I'm repeating once again in the shortcut manner. Okay, the exam paper pattern, admission online, offline, you can take any mode. Okay, online will prefer my suggestion to you. Now you can also suggest me if you're talking about syllabus. 4 paper. Apart from this, you have to undergo the training. Okay, which will be institute provided by online, and paper pattern, MCQ online, MCQ based. From mobile itself you can give, from mobile, laptop, desktop, whichever mode is available. From home itself you can give the this CAT course. Okay, and MCQ based online, or there will be no negative marking. Yes, job opportunities in accounts and taxation, you can start, you can work as an accountant. Apart from this, yes, 45 days training you need to go. Total course fees is 12,660. Okay, apart from this, you need to pay a separate exam form fees. Okay, so simply 45 days of training. After completing this course, CAT course, you can directly take admission in CMA Intermediate. Okay, foundation will be exempt for you. So hope you get all about, you can see that information related with this. So how many field you can work. So after completing this work, you can work as an accountant, and you can maintenance of accounts, preparation of tax returns, filling of return under a Companies Act, filling of returns under Income Tax Act, GST, Custom Act, export and import documentation, etc. So in this course, you will also learn these kind of things. Okay, like preparation of accounts, return, filling of returns under Companies Act. Full-fledged you can become an accountant after completing the CAT course. So this is all about the CAT course. Still, apart from this, you guys, you can also see that list of oral coaching centers. Okay, so normally you can say that from online itself you can take the online classes of CAT, which will be not a, you can say that, a tough job for you. So this is the all about the all the detail related with the CMA CAT course. Still, after watching this video, you have any doubt, so guys, feel free to ask in the comment section. Surely I will try to help you. Okay, from my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.